Dates are a rich source of various vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Some of the most common benefits of eating dates include high in antioxidants. Dates contain flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids, which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect against cellular damage. Rich in fiber, dates are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Good source of energy, dates are a natural source of sugar and can provide a quick boost of energy. May improve bone health. Dates are a good source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which are important for maintaining strong bones. May lower blood pressure. Potassium in dates may help regulate blood pressure and protect against hypertension. May improve heart health. Dates are rich in antioxidants and minerals that can protect against heart disease. It's worth noting that eating dates in moderation as part of a healthy diet can provide many health benefits, but consuming too many can lead to weight gain and other health problems.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button to see more of it.